Hi everyone, this is Perpato with Envy. I'm Viv and Nick's behind the camera. We're back in Las Vegas, baby.
I was trapped in your world, losing gravity. It's a big mistake for a good damn boy like me. You know, hey, I'm out of this. You took my loneliness away. I'm not again. You know, hey, you took my loneliness away. I'm not again.
Hey guys, it's Nick and Viv from Perpato with Envy, and we are back in Las Vegas. This time we are staying at the Cosmopolitan in a one-bedroom king terrace suite overlooking the Bellagio Fountains. Now that we've shown you the view at night here, let's take you for a quick room tour, and then we're going to show you the view in the morning.
Love the aesthetic. Check this out. Here's Vegas.
We're up. We are all dressed and we're going down to the pool. It is 9 o'clock in the morning. We're heading down to the Boulevard Pool, and again, take a look at this view. We'll see you at the pool. finally made it down to the pool. We got a couple loungers here, just on the second level, no cost. It's absolutely beautiful. It is about 105, 108 degrees right now outside. It is really hot. The view is about 3 stories above the strip, so you get to see the Eiffel Tower, the Paris Ball there, across the street from Planet Hollywood. The pool here, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now I will tell you guys one other thing. Every time we come out here, Viv got this set from Oniro. It's a new company here. This little travel set. It's travel. They're all travel sizes here, so it can go into your carry-on. It has shampoo, conditioner. There's a sun chaser body wash and stuff like that. What I love, and I don't know if Viv knows I'm using this stuff, but it's a multi-mist. This thing, yeah, just spray it on, and I'm telling you, it smells a little bit like citrus. Really refreshing, really cool stuff. Check it out. Check it out online.
As well as behind me, a huge jacuzzi. That was the Cosmo Pool, everyone. That was a great morning. We are hungry and ready for some lunch, so we're heading to level 2 or 3 for some chow. See you soon.
We ended up at Block 16. We decided to get a porchetta sandwich from Lardo's. And we got what they call dirty fries. We're gonna give them a try in a second. And here's the porchetta sandwich with dirty fries from Lardo. These dirty fries have hot peppers, pork pieces, pork fat, and a couple other things on there. I think some cheese on there as well. Okay. This porchetta sandwich is amazing. They put all these greens on here. They have this wonderful sauce on here. It is a little greasy, but it goes so well with the flavor, and the bun is really, really fresh. I highly recommend this. And that's all I have to say. I'm gonna eat my sandwich now. All dressed up, ready to go. We're headed right there to Caesars. We're going to Carmine's, family style dining. We're gonna just do it up and probably eat way too much as we usually do. We will see you on the walk over.
Hey guys, it's Nick and Viv from Perpato with Envy. Today we are at Carmine's here in the Caesar Forum Shops, and we're in for some Italian family dining. The Carmine's here in Las Vegas has actually been open since 2013, and it is a happening place with 2 floors. Lots of wonderful people here. The service has been fantastic. We just had our appetizers. We had a huge plate of calamari with the marinara sauce. Calamari was great. It was very crispy and light, but a huge, huge portion. I'm kind of partial to those tentacles, so they were really, really good. I really enjoyed those. So the second appetizer we got was the wings. Those wings were huge. The sauce that they had on them was made in-house. It's got some rosemary, a little bit of butter, some thyme. Very, very wonderful flavor. The spice was nice because it only hit your tongue a little bit, didn't hit you in the back of the throat, which was really good. And the sauce on the side was a homemade blue cheese with gorgonzola. And then they even cut some fennel on the side as well. I highly, highly recommend the wings. They were fantastic. I'd order them over and over and over again. And I do believe that he said that they're only available at this Carmine's here in Las Vegas. Viv's a little bit spicy. I'm a little bit cheesy.
So when you work here, you get taught how to do all this stuff. This is called serving out. We do this for people. It's one of the more amazing things about Carmine. Carmine's that establishes us from everyone else because you're actually getting served. Make sure we get a little sauce, because we like it saucy.
Even though we couldn't finish the calamari or the wings, we ended up ordering the main entree, which was veal parmesan over angel hair pasta. Wow. I mean, this could probably feed at least 6 people. We didn't even make a dent in it. It is just so massive. Very, very tasty. Lots of cheese on it. The sauce was great. Pasta was cooked perfectly. We're actually going to have them package it up in 4 or 5 different containers, and I think we're going to hand it out to maybe some less fortunate people there on the strip. Hopefully they like veal parmesan with pasta. And that was Carmine's here in the Caesars Forum Shops in Las Vegas. Guys, we really enjoyed the food, from the calamari to the fantastic wings, the veal parmesan over the angel hair pasta there. The portions are huge, absolutely massive. Bring 4 people, bring 6 people, bring 10 people. This place is great. There's even a second level. They have a little patio out in the front as well. The atmosphere, the vibe is great. We want to thank our server Dexter and the manager Josh, who took care of us, and they made us feel like family.
Okay, so breakfast, we've been looking around here. Not many places open at 7 a.m. Here at Cosmo, we found Egg Slut was open, but it looked like the lineup was already about a half an hour wait. So we came over here to District, Donuts, Sliders, and Brew. Let's see how it is. This is their scrambled egg, cheese, and bacon on a biscuit. These things are massive. I think the price of these is around $8 possibly. This is a creamed filled donut with some fruit on the top, and our standard go-to, the cinnamon bun donuts that are toasted on the top there. Fantastic. Wow. Eggs are fluffy with lots of cheese. Bacon is crispy. That biscuit, so flaky. Really, really great. Grab a little hot sauce, put it on there. Hopefully I don't burn myself. Oh yeah. Breakfast of champions, guys.
Now this is cream. That's a cream donut. Fresh fruit. Ay, mamma mia. So delicious. So we just finished breakfast and it was amazing. Gotta come check out District Donuts.
Coffee's great, donuts are fantastic, and those biscuit scrambled egg sandwiches,
Amazing.
really, really good. All ready to check out? Well, that was the Cosmopolitan here in Las Vegas. We're going to give you our little rundown of what we found in this hotel. Pros for us in this room, obviously, that you have a fridge. The room is actually quite large for what you get. The comfortability of the bed.
Amazing.
Wow. Guys, that bed is super comfy.
One of the best I've slept on.
I'm probably gonna upgrade ours at home. The choices of food in this hotel are very, very good. You have all the way from just sandwiches all the way up to fine dining, which is great. The location of the Cosmopolitan on the Strip, it's A1. A1.
Spot on.
And then also as far as the casino floor, lots of games, lots of choice, lots of tables, and the drinks are top notch. You can order whatever you want.
Yeah, it's better than from what we've experienced, probably one of the best.
Absolutely. Now, the one con that we found at the Cosmo here is that it is a little pricey compared to some of the other hotels in the area.
But well worth it.
Absolutely well worth it. We would come back here in a heartbeat. We want to say thank you guys.
Thank you.
For watching. Please like,
Share,
subscribe,
and comment.
Please.
If you've been to the Cosmo, please share your experience as well.
That's it for us, guys.
We'll see you on the next video.
Bye.